So we're here at the Herndon Harbor Adult Daycare Center outside because we want to make sure to say hi and happy Mother's Day to all of our participants and the caregivers, because we're missing you all and we can't be open to have you come here to the center.
We really miss our participants. It's that small time to see them, just to see them and see them smiling and see them having fun, dancing and waving. Oh, it's so rewarding and it feels so good.
We often see most of these participants on a daily basis, and so for us to not see them since mid-March has really affected everyone emotionally.
I think it's so important for them to see us and to see our faces that they usually see every day. It's just so important to have that. And for us too, we miss everybody.
I can't tell you how much I appreciate the staff and what they've done, because now it's my turn to do the things that they would do normally. And so it's you know, I just can't thank them enough, and it's wonderful.
We had such a great turnout, and it's just a testament to how our caregivers are so invested into their loved ones and how we are so invested into their loved ones. And I think it's a joint effort, and I'm just so proud of the team, and I'm so proud of the caregivers, and this was better than I could have ever imagined.
Our hearts just go out for them. We want them to remain healthy, and we want to see them when we open up again.
We love you, we miss you, and we cannot wait to see you guys back here again.
When everything is over and we reopen, we really want to see you back.
I love you and I miss you, and I can't wait for us to get back together again.